Hi everyone, my name is Carmen Alicia Gonzalez and today I'll talk to you about the Task 7 final exam, the phonetic. And the step 1, publish, the ant and the grasshopper. The ant and the grasshopper one bright day in late autumn a family of ants were bustling about in the warm sunshine, drawing out a grain they had stored up during the summer, when a starving grasshopper, his feeling under his arm, came up and hungry bit for the bit to eat. "What?" cried the ants in surprise. "Have you stored anything away for the winter? That in the world were you doing all last summer?" "I didn't have time to store up any food," with Aunt Shopper. "I was so busy making music that before I knew it the summer was gone." The ant shrugged her shoulder in disgust. "Making music, were you?" they cried. "Very well, now dance." And they turned their back in the grasshopper and went on with their work. There's a time for work and time for play. And the next step, state whether the manner of articulation is same or different. Okay. Album, broken, S. V. Accused, sociable, D. C. Barometer, finish, D. Stop. D. Idea, keepsake, D. E. Ish, yish, recave. Proluge, confit, stop. Variably wash, D. Was a dish, D. Stop. The next is separate a following words into syllables. Okay. Antidote. Oh no, I'm sorry. Antidote. B. Calendar. 3. Computer. 3. December. 3. Dinner. 2. Emotion. 3. Fine. 1. Fitness. 2. Global. 2. Okay. Liver. 2. Lotion. 2. Lovely. 2. Mirror. 2. Money. 2. Oversleep. 3. Poem. 2. Puppet. 2. Sunshine. 2. Tag. 2. Wonderful. 3. Okay, the next is write the song S, C, and E. This is more difficult for me. I try it, okay? I'm sorry. Attend books, brothers, classes, jugs, leaves, plates, tapes, watches, quiz. Okay, the next is mark the silent letter in the following words. Okay, answer, college, bomb, B, castle, T, cupboard, A, the scene, G, generous, U, hopped, E, interx, E, Ireland, S, now, Q, circle, B, vegetable, E. The next is mark the primary stress in the following word. Okay. Anxious, career, class, economics, passion, society, subject, target, universal, beach. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.